Angeles Lakers. Opening shot, Hachimura trains it from deep. Kick out, McDaniels, off the penetration, he lays it in with a scoop to the hoop. D'Angelo Russell now in his 10th year in the NBA, his second stint with the Lakers. Hachimura, bodied up, oh, big finish! Hachimura, hard to the hole! Edwards lines it up, bottom, a three. Push up the floor, McDaniels gliding to the rim, and a block on the inside. He got engulfed underneath. What a setup. Denied. Hachimura just gummed Gobert. James inside. Banks it home. Randall, attack mode on James. He flips it up. No, it was clean. McDaniels is there. They tried to get it out of there, and Minnesota stayed with the action. Short. Davis, offensive rebound, and the throwdown for the Brown. Edwards, he's got it, a three straight away. Open look, doesn't go, the rainbow from Reeves.
But you know, you got two teams that are trying to shoot more threes.
Ahead, DiVincenzo. Hit the cutter, Gobert, layup goes. The curl by Reeves, and popped up in the air and through. Sticking with the play, Austin Reeves. Edwards, pedal to the metal, all the way to the rim, hangs and hits. The Ant-Man getting to the hole. DiVincenzo, the head fake, the kick, and it goes for Alexander Walker. He sticks the three.
If you're going to emulate anything, you got to get that athletic big.
The bank for Reed on a three. Minnesota looking for the lead here with 25 seconds to go in the first. DiVincenzo, he beats Vincent off the dribble. The flip doesn't go. Rebound, DiVincenzo curls in for the deuce.
So we got to get back to trusting the pass, staying with what we've done for 3 weeks, and it'll pan out. We'll be better.
Thank you for your time. Back to you guys.
All right, Taylor. Hachimura working the offensive glass off the Russell miss. Randall, bottom. It's a three. Connect. Over to Hachimura. Need some help. Cutter. Russell. Layup for two. Bullet feed. Russell to Hayes with a tasty dish. Randall just hit on a three. Drives in. Contact with James. Offensive foul. Roll. Hayes. Oh! On a rock attack. Jackson Hayes goes airborne. Crossover. James for two. Timeout. Timberwolves. Lakers have their largest lead. Connect. First one. He's got it. A straightaway tray for the rookie. Dalton. Connect. Davis the help. Lakers are running. Connect. Right down the middle for two.
That an assist and now another steal.
Reeves gets bumped and the foul. Los Angeles. It's been a tidal wave. Leaks out. Hachimura converts from the outside. Edwards nails it for three.
That's a good option to go to when you're struggling, I'll tell you that.
Knocked away by Gobert. Davis is there for the loose change. Hachimura short. Offensive board, another one, spin off, and finish! That was slick! Davis out front against Gobert. Davis, it's goaltending. It's 29-9 Minnesota since the end of the first. Edwards with a purpose. Baker goes and one. And Bronny James just popped off the bench along with LeBron. History tonight. The first father-son duo to play together in an NBA game. And what a celebration for the James family. So impressive. Incredible story. Randall got it. Edwards lines it up. Slam down on the follow by Gobert, and Minnesota creeping back into it. Out of the timeout. Oh, LeBron James! Major flush. Ball movement leads to the Alexander Walker jump shot, and he snaps in a three. Ian Eagle, Candace Parker, Stan Van Gundy, and LeBron James and Anthony Davis as well. And J.J. Redick talked about diversification with regards to Anthony Davis. The miss by Edwards. Conley is there for the follow. Savvy veteran going to the offhand. Reeves Adds to the Lakers' lead. 59-44 LA. Edwards got a three.
And you know, Coach, the thing that most impressed me about Ant Edwards this past summer was his ability to play off the ball. And I do think once, as you see Rui Hachimura with the second slam.
That is
The
multiple
second poster.
Hachimura highlights. DiVincenzo, he sticks it on target with a triple. The roller, Gobert, rejected! Anthony Davis just climbed the Stifle Tower. Davis drives in. Gobert may have gotten a piece. Reeves is there. Shot clock winding down. Reeves floats it home. That is 4 offensive rebounds for Austin Reeves. He's got 7 overall. Reeves forcing the action. He's got the touch. Gobert kicks DiVincenzo. He hits a three. Big against small. Gobert dumps it inside. And the easy dunk for Alexander Walker climbing the ladder. Davis watched by Gobert. Davis makes his move. Shot clock winding down. Connects. The return of Dalton Connect. Oh, they lost Vincent on his way to the rim. Reed gives it up and smashed down by Gobert. Vincent gives it up. Davis, contact from Edwards. Count it, and a foul. Davis, bullseye. It's a three. Randall pirouettes, flips it up, gets the roll. Tough bucket. Off a made basket, they rush down the floor, and they get Hayes involved out near the rim.
There's no better player to get the ball to in transition.
Edwards! Long two-pointer. Anthony Edwards beats the shot clock. Reed doesn't take the three, instead drives in on Davis. Missed it. Randall couldn't catch it, and it ping-pongs over to Reed for the deuce. James goes to the rim, flips it home, and the foul. Conley sheds the defender, lobs it up. Gobert puts it down. A French connection. Up ahead, McDaniels to Reed. The three. Yes, sir! 4-point game. And I motivated him.
You did. That's the reverse announcer, James.
That's it. That's the power. Russell upstairs for James.
And again, that benefits the Lakers.
Look at that. Highlights galore. Hayes is having a night. Edwards connects on a three. A block shot by Davis. DiVincenzo didn't have a chance on the perimeter. Edwards, the fadeaway is pure.
Uh-oh, be careful. Ant-Man's heating up.
Davis over Randall, he cans it.
Wow.
Edwards taking it to the rim. Davis now using the screen switch. He told Hachimura to clear the area, and he spots him for the silky smooth J. Jab, kick. Alexander Walker sticks the three. LeBron will take and miss the jump shot. The tip in goes. Anthony Davis is everywhere. Alexander Walker floats it up and in. Davis, hard drive, off one leg, he's got it! Wow. He can do no wrong! Gobert drives and lays it in with those long strides. Cutter, DiVincenzo, denied by the brow! Anthony Davis ahead for Reeves, and a perfect highlight. Defense to offense for LA. The fade, the banker, no. Randall puts it up, spins it in, and a foul. AJ Redick and the Lakers trying to close the book on the Timberwolves here tonight. It's James. It's a three.
That'll come close to doing it right there.
To send a message to his crew, Julius Randle getting 2 points.
110-103. Lakers turned it over. Rejected by LeBron James. Ahead for Davis. It's over. The Lakers.